Your Worship Mayor, Honorable Deputy Mayor, Your Excellency High Commissioner of Sri Lanka, Honorable Chief Minister of Northern Provincial Council, Honorable Members of Parliament, Honorary Aldermen, Emeritus Mayors, Honorable Councillors, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen. It is indeed an honor and privilege to be called upon to propose a vote of thanks on this historic occasion of the signing of the MOU. In our Tamil cultural ethos, we recall and appreciate those who have contributed towards our progress, both individually and collectively. 2000 years ago, the ancient Tamil sage Thiruvalluvar had captured very beautifully the essence of gratitude in the form of a couplet. Enyanri kondrarkum uivundam uivillai, senyanri kondra mahatku. There is salvation for faltering on any virtue, but not for ingratitude. In my note, it may not be out of context on this occasion to thank a former British High Commission official and committee member of the British Local Government Association who met with us way back in April 2005 in Colombo in the aftermath of the Asian tsunami and mooted the idea of the twinning agreement. That resulted in establishing a twinning program between Essex County Council and Mullaitivu district in the Northern Province in 2005. But unfortunately, it did not come to pass. At the outset, I would like to thank Honourable Mr. James Berry, MP for Kingston and Chair of the All-Party Parliamentary Delegation for Tamils, for responding favourably in July 2015 to our request for a twinning project and setting in motion the groundwork in this regard. We thank Honourable Kevin Davis, the leader of the Council, for cooperating with the Chief Minister's Office in perfecting the template for MOU and getting it through the Council. We thank Honourable Gaj Walupillai for serving as the focal point for the borough and liaising with the Chief Minister's Office, ably assisted by Emeritus Mayor and Councillor Roy Arora, Phil Clement and Arjuna Sivanathan. It is incumbent upon me to acknowledge at this juncture the contributions made by key Sri Lankan government officials, namely the government agent of Jaffna district, Mr. Nagalingam Vedanayahan, and Chief Secretary of the Northern Provincial Council, Anthony Pillai Pathinathan, for guiding and assisting the Chief Minister's Office with the compliance process for twinning project. It is important at this juncture to record our sincere thanks to Honourable Mr. Ranil Wickremesinghe, the Prime Minister of the Democratic Republic, Socialist Republic of Sri Lanka, for his timely intervention and approval to expedite the twinning project. Our donor, who generously responded to our request for travel and requested anonymity. I'll be failing in my duties if I don't acknowledge and record our appreciation to the continuous professional input provided by our friend and professional from Campsie, Sydney, who also wishes to remain anonymous. Sendan Selvaraja and Rajkumar Narendran, we appreciate your assistance and input provided for the development of a database on diaspora professionals to facilitate the distribution of invitations. Last but not least, ladies and gentlemen, we sincerely appreciate your presence this evening, which has made this historic event a success. May I state that if I had missed out on anyone, kindly excuse me for my omissions. Finally, I would like to conclude with two quotes, one from Stephen R. Covey and the other David Starr Jordan, which I believe is appropriate for the context of the twinning partnership. The most important ingredient we put into any relationship is not what we say or do, but what we are. Kavi. Wisdom is knowing what to do next. Virtue is doing it. I thank you for your patient listening.